Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually install Sublime text in your PC. So just type here Sublime text and hit enter, and here you can see we got the link. So don't click the first link because it actually downloads Sublime text 3. So if you want the latest version Sublime text 4, you actually click here. You have to click here Sublime text 4, download this and select your Windows. And if you want zip version, let's say you don't want to install the Sublime text in your PC, you may go with the portable version. Just click here portable version. Here you can see it's downloading, so we have to wait for some time. So guys, here you can see we got the Sublime text here, the zip version and the .exe version also. So let me tell you the difference between them. Let me extract at first the zip one. So let's extract here as folder, and here I want to rename it as Sublime text 4, let's say. So this is the Sublime text 4. So if you want to use it, if you don't want to actually install this software in your PC, but you want to get the benefit of this application, so what you have to do, you have to actually use the zip version. And you can see the process is you can't actually remove anything from this folder. Okay, you cannot remove this or delete this folder. What you have to do, you have to write every single of your program inside this zip, otherwise it will not run. So here you can see. So if I now double click on it, .exe, and it will be open. Let me show you. Here you can see it opens. But if I delete this, let's say I want to delete this, and now if I want to open Sublime text, here you can see there is no Sublime text because we have removed the folder, right? So that is why actually you shouldn't use the zip, because accidentally if you delete this, all the project will be gone and the folder also with the Sublime text itself. So what you have to do, you have to go for the .exe. So just double click on it and hit yes. Select here next, click here install, and it will be installed. Alright. Now if I type here Sublime, and here you can see we got this. Now open it, and now you don't need to actually worry about it, because let's say I want to delete this. So here you can see it's deleted. Now if I go for the Sublime text, and here you can see got the Sublime text also, we don't need to worry about it because we already installed it in our PC, right? So this is how actually you can do this. And now let's say you want to increase the font size. So just go for the preference option here, then click here font, and then you have two options. Here you can see by pressing Ctrl from your keyboard and then plus sign from your keyboard, or maybe you can actually do it with your mouse wheel also. Just press Ctrl and then scroll up to increase, and then scroll down your mouse wheel to decrease. But this is not a permanent solution. If you want a permanent solution and if you want to change the font also, then go for the font. Okay, then reset size. Now let's go for the preset once again, then font, and then choose. And now select 18, let's say. This is the ideal one. And now from here you can actually select any font, but let's just go with the default one. So click here OK, and here you can see it increase the font size. So guys, that's it. Now let's say you want to add folder. So you just have to actually open folder from here. And one more thing is, let's say you want to add the folder, let's say output, okay, or captures, let's say, just drag and drop it here. And here you can see we got all the folder. Now let's say you want to create a new file. So click a new file and then press Ctrl plus S to save it. Let's say test.html. Hit enter, and it will be HTML file. Thing is, why I love this code editor is because I can actually open it from here. But if I want to open it, just I have to open it, and here I can see this is my website. And if I say here, let's say HTML, and here in the body I will say H1. So it will actually automatically complete the tag, right? What I have done here is I just have to type here HTML and then press tab, and it will create basic structure. Here you can see. And if I say here H1 and press tab, it will actually complete the whole tag. Now let's say I want to say here this is my. Now let's go refresh here, and here you can see this is my website. If you want to change the theme also, then go for the select theme. But before that, you have to actually do some more extra settings. And if you want that, if you want to know that how you can actually install theme in Sublime text, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I will make another video for this. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.